Assalamu alaikum guys, so this is shopping vocabulary or even a street vendor vocabulary. You're gonna need this whenever you purchase an item or you want to sell an item or whatever. You need these phrases and sentences, and I'll try to make it as concise as possible because this video might be really long because we have 4 screenshots or 4 pages to study. So focus on the letters that I put on. Okay, useful shopping phrases, whatever. These are from the books. From the book. But these are really small. No color, nothing colorful, so it's not kind of fancy to study. So I got you some extra words along with the words in the page. So let's start immediately. Okay, souq means market, basically bazaar, market, whatever. So yatasawwaq comes from souq. Okay, to go shopping, yatasawwaq. If plural, it's yatasawwaqun. Okay, if it's like dual plural, yatasawwaqan. For both males and females, يتسوقان an يتسوقان. If it's more than 2, multi-plural, third person, or whatever, more than 2, okay, plural, it will be يتسوقون. And now it's just singular, يتسوق, to go shopping. Okay, to spend means يصرف, to spend money. يصرف نقود, to spend money. يصرف, يصرفان would be dual plural. يصرفون, يصرفون would be like multi-plural. So now we're just going to focus on the singular ones because that's the way to understand it better. So, souvenir shop, دكان الهدايا, okay? دكان الهدايا, souvenir shop. I'm sorry, it's not just الهدايا, it's complete, this whole sentence. دكان الهدايا التذكارية. الهدايا التذكارية basically means souvenirs, ancient monuments or whatever. Memento. Souvenir means a memento, something cherished, ancient, whatever. دكان الهدايا التذكارية. Okay, travel agent to travel agency. مكتب السفريات. مكتب سفريات, travel agency in Arabic. Thread is خيط, and tailor is the one who uses thread to create, your specific clothing, whatever you ordered him. He particularly tailors that for you. So yes, the one who uses thread to make clothes is خياط. Thread is khayt, so tailor is khayat. So it's all related. So that's the beauty of the Arabic language. You just twist one letter, you add or subtract one letter, the whole meaning changes, and it still sticks to the root, sticks to the whole noun. So from khayt, one noun meaning thread, came khayat, tailor, another noun. So let's go to the next word. Stationery, دكان الأدوات المكتبية. In other words, shop of stationery items. Okay, a shop of stationery items. So stationery basically means like kind of a bookshop. Okay. دكان الأدوات المكتبية. Till, agricultural land, fertile land, whatever. Yeah, from which you get the produce and stuff. خزينة, till. Okay, farm or agricultural land. خزينة, till. Toy shop, دكان لعب أطفال. دكان means shop, obviously. لعب أطفال means kids' toys. So toy shop is shop for kids' toys. Toy shop. دكان لعب أطفال. Goldsmith, سائغ. Smith is سائغ, and الذهب is gold, and silversmith السائغ الفضة. So فضة is silver, ذهب is gold. So سائغ الذهب is goldsmith, السائغ الفضة is silversmith. So pretty simple. In a moment we're going to study the sentences, hopefully. Special offer, singular, okay? Only offer is عرض, and خاص means special. So عرض خاص is special offer, and عروض خاص would be plural, special offers. Okay? عرض singular, عروض plural. Offer, offers. Simple. I'd like blank. I want blank. You need something. You need some product. أريد. That's it. أريد ماء. I need water, or I want water. I'd like water, or whatever. أريد ثلاجة. I need a refrigerator. Okay. أريد محمصة. I need a toaster. أريد غلاية. I need a tea kettle, a kettle. أريد خلاط. I need a blender. Any kind of items. Okay. أريد غسالة. I need washing machine. أريد مكيف. I need an AC. أريد مروح. I need a fan. All these words we'll hopefully learn even more in our future videos. You don't have to worry about those. How much is this? What's the price? And I'm sorry, I think all these nouns, these words of toasters and blenders and tea kettles and washing machines and basins and fans and AC, I think we've already discussed those in my previous Boost Your Vocabulary series. You know, the first videos. I discussed a lot of these words and how to use them in sentences. So you can go back to my old videos. I've already done this and I'm saying I'm going to do it. I already did it. So I hope you go back to my old videos and study those sentences. Okay? And boost your vocabulary. Okay, how much is this? What's the price? بكم هذا? How much is this? And كم سعر? What's the price? Next question. Do you have blank? هل عندك blank? Simple. هل عندك محمصة? Do you have a toaster? هل عندك ماء? Do you have water? Simple. I will give you blank, or I will give you this. بأعطيك blank. بأعطيك ماء. I'll give you water. Or بأعطيك هذا. I'll give you this. Or بأعطيك ذلك. I'll give you that. So these sentences are really important, and more coming up. That's the best price, or that's the best offer, the best discount, or whatever. How to say that in Arabic? هذا أحسن سعر. هذا أحسن سعر. Usually هذا means this, so this sentence is basically this is the best price. That is ذلك. But still, when you say that's the best price, you're indicating the best offer you gave your customers. So هذا أحسن سعر. Or هذا أفضل سعر. This is the best price, best offer. سعر means price. It can also stand for offer in this case. It could also stand for discount, even though discount means خصم. Discount singular is خصم. Discount is خصومات. Don't worry about the words, you'll get it. 2 for how much? اثنين become. واحد become. 1 for how much? اثنين become. 2 for how much? اثنين become. Okay, I will buy it. زين بأشتريها. Simple. Okay, I'll buy it. زين. زين or أحسن بأشتريها. Good, I'll buy it. Okay, I'll buy it. Or حسنا, I'll buy it. A lot of ways to say okay. Where's the women's section? وين قسم السيدات, or وين قسم النساء, or وين قسم الحريم? نساء, حريم, سيدات, all meaning ladies or women. Simple as that. If it's like where's the men's section, it will be وين قسم الرجال. Okay? وين قسم الرجال. Do you have more of these? هل عندك المزيد من هذول? Do you have more of these? More means in Arabic مزيد, okay? مزيد. مزيد basically means more, excess, that's what it means. Do you have هل عندك more of these? المزيد من هذول. Simple as that. Important sentences. هذول is the word meaning from these or of these. I'd like to change this, please. You want to change a product? This is what you say in Arabic. I'd like to change this, please. أريد أغير هذا لو سمحت. أريد, I want to. أغير, change. هذا, this, لو سمحت, please. لو سمحت can also mean excuse me. It can also mean please in some context. And even من فضلك means please. So I'd like to change this, please. أريد أغير هذا لو سمحت. Do you have anything cheaper, / bigger, / smaller, / better? So focus on these 4 different words you're going to learn. Okay, these are very important, especially for buying clothes and stuff. You know, ملابس, clothes, garments. You need a bigger size, smaller size, different colors. So these 4 words are really key to understand. Do you have anything cheaper? هل عندك أي شيء أرخص? Do you have anything bigger? هل عندك أي شيء أكبر? أكبر means bigger. Do you have anything smaller? هل عندك أي شيء أصغر? أصغر means smaller. Okay. Finally, do you have anything better? هل عندك أي شيء أحسن أو أفضل? أحسن or أفضل means better. Okay. So this sentence is really important in the during shopping, when you go for whatever, fruits, vegetables, or clothes. Even sometimes you need fruits of bigger size and smaller size. You know, everything, every kind of product, almost every kind of product, you need different size, different quality, different colors. And do you have, parenthetically, this in other colors? Do you have other colors of this product? هل عندك ألوان ثانية? هل عندك, do you have ألوان, colors, ثانية, others, other. So هل عندك ألوان ثانية? Do you have other colors, parenthetically, of this product, particular product? Can you wrap it up for me, please? Can you wrap it for me, please? In Arabic, ممكن تلفها لو سمحت. ممكن is basically possible. It means possible. It means could you please. ممكن is just shortcut for could you. Is it possible for you? And please is لو سمحت. And تلفها means wrap it. So ممكن تلفها لو سمحت. Just 3 words. ممكن تلفها لو سمحت. Can you wrap it for me, please? Lastly, can I have a receipt, please? ممكن فاتورة لو سمحت. ممكن فاتورة, receipt, لو سمحت, please. Can I try it on? Especially clothes. Can I try it on? ممكن أجربها. Could be socks, could be watch, could be shirts, pants, whatever. Could be even a tie. Can I try it on? ممكن أجربها. ممكن أجربها. I think you can even say ممكن ألبسها. أجربها is really common. Yeah, it's really common. أجربها. So this page is done. Rewind, revise. Next page. Useful shopping phrases again. Please do not touch الرجاء عدم اللمس. Please take a trolley. A trolley. الرجاء أخذ أعرابه. الرجاء أخذ or خذ أعرابه. Please take a basket. الرجاء أخذ or خذ سلة, basket. Upper floor طابق العلوي. Lower or ground floor طابق الأرضي. Household cleaning materials is the way to say it is مواد لتنظيف المنزل, or مواد لتنظيف البيت, or مواد لتنظيف السكن. So there are three different ways, or many ways of saying, you know, house. Could be منزل, could be سكن, could be بيت. It could even be an abode, ساء. But no one says ساء, it's from the Quran. وساء سبيلا, you know, an abode, a dwelling place. So yeah, مواد لتنظيف المنزل. Household cleaning materials. Kids toys again. ألعاب أطفال. لعب أطفال would be toy. Kids toy. ألعاب is plural. Kids toys. ألعاب أطفال. Kids toys. Ice cream shop. محل ice cream. Cost or price means سعر or قيمة. Rental or rent means إيجار. Salary is معاش or راتب or wage, whatever. Wage or salary is called معاش in Arabic, or راتب. Reduced is مخفض. Comes from انخفض. Reduce. انخفض, reduce, and reduced is مخفض, reduced, curtailed, lowered down, reduced price, like أسعار مخفض, you know, lowered prices or reduced prices or curtailed prices, whatever. Self-service, اخدم نفسك, serve yourself. Self-service, especially in the petrol pump and whatnot, you find this kind of sign. Self-service, serve yourself, اخدم نفسك. Shoe shop, محل أحذية. So حذاء is حذاء is shoe, أحذية is plural, shoes. Okay, so shoe shop is basically محل أحذية, shop for shoes, a shop of shoes, whatever. Special offer, عرض خاص. I kind of have a typo right here. It's ARD, عين راء and ضاد. It should be عرض. Okay, it's not F, it's ARD. عرض خاص, special offer. Summer sale, occasion الصيف. Winter sale would be occasion الشتاء. You know, autumn sale would be occasion الخريف. Spring sale would be occasion الربيع. Tobacconist is محل سجاير, tobacco shop, you know, shisha shop or hookah shop or cigarette shop. معاذ الله. Travel agency, again, مكتب سفريات. So you guys are just boosting your vocabulary already, aren't you? Just the last two pages, very few words left. So a few more sentences to help. When you're looking for the cash register, or the point of sale, where's the counter where I pay the money? Where do I pay? وين أدفع? Or very formal Arabic would be أين أدفع? أين أدفع? Where do I pay? So وين is really common. It's more casual, more kind of cultural dialect for most Arabs. They don't say أين. أين is just too formal. أين أدفع? I'm sorry. أين أدفع or وين أدفع? Can I have a refund? It's really a long sentence. ممكن أراجع هذا وأسترد قيمته. ممكن أراجع. Can I be returned هذا وأسترد قيمته? This product. Can I return this product and get its price back? That's literally saying, can I have a refund? Can I return this product to you and get its price back? The price that I paid you. In other words, can I get a refund for this product? Take this product and give my money back. ممكن أراجع هذا وأسترد قيمته. Okay? Simple as that. I'm just looking. أنا بأخذ فكرة فقط. In Arabic, أنا بأخذ فكرة فقط. I'm just taking a look. That's the complete meaning, exact word by word meaning. أنا بأخذ فكرة فقط. أنا بأخذ فكرة فقط. I'm just taking a look. I'll come back later. أنا بأرجع بعدين. I بأرجع will come back بعدين, afterwards or later. أنا بأرجع بعدين. Simple as that. Let's learn a couple of words. Bakery is right here. Bakery is مخبز, baker is خباز, bargain is صفقة, grocery is بقالة, market is bazaar or souk, bookshop is maktaba, butcher is jazzar, cake shop or delicatessen or deli or confectionery, confection shop, whatever, sweet shop, halawani, expensive is ghali, costly, you know, cheap is rakhis, department qism, department is qism, yeah. Department can also mean qism, section, and also maqta, portion, section, whatever. Department store, mahal kabir or dukan kabir. Fashion is azya, flowers is zuhur. Zahra is single flower, and plural is flowers, zuhur. So we've learned a lot of words. Finally, the final slide. Okay, just a few words and sentences. Ahlan wa sahlan, ay khidma. This right here, ahlan wa sahlan, ay khidma. Ahlan wa sahlan basically means welcome. Ahlan wa sahlan, welcome, ay khidma. What's your service? How can I serve you? How can I help you? Welcome, what service do you need? Ahlan wa sahlan, ay khidma. How can I help you? هل عندك خردة or فكة? هل عندك خردة أو فكة? Do you have any change or loose change, whatever? Next one is I'm sorry, we're out of stock. Okay, and that in Arabic is أنا آسف, I'm sorry, ما عندنا, we don't have أي مخزون من هذا النوع. Any more stock from this particular product, from this particular make. Okay, أنا آسف ما عندنا أي مخزون من هذا النوع. Okay, next one. هذا كل ما هو عندنا. Okay, this is all we have. We don't have more pieces. We don't have more stock of this. We have only final 2 pieces left, for example. Then we say, this is all we have. هذا كل ما هو عندنا. هذا كل ما هو عندنا. Okay, the next red sentence is أي خدمة ثانية. أي خدمة ثانية. What other service? Parenthetically addressing the customer or the client do you need? What other service do you need? In other words, how else can I help you? أي خدمة ثانية. Okay, and then again, سوق means market, bazaar. Okay, طابق العلوي, upper floor, طابق الأرضي, ground floor, lower floor. خضرة is vegetable and خضروات is vegetables. ثمر is fruit and plural ثمرات is fruits. Okay. ملابس نساء, women's clothing. ملابس حريم, again, women's clothing. ملابس سيدات, again, women's clothing. ملابس رجال would be men's clothing. قسم السيدات would be women's department. We've done it. So thank you guys. I hope you really benefited from this short video. Hopefully it didn't reach 20. I don't want to make it 20 minutes. So guys, if you benefited, please share this, tweet this out to people. Let them learn English and Arabic simultaneously. I don't think I'm the pioneer in this, someone teaching you English as well as Arabic simultaneously. I don't really think I'm a pioneer or trailblazer in this field, but I hope at least I'm benefiting people. Please share this, like, whatever, and especially subscribe so that I get more motivation to make these kind of educational videos. I love you guys. Subscribe. Thank you.